How to fix Capital One bank app not working. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. Press and hold your Capital One application. Then you will see the option of app info. You have to tap on it. Force stop the application. Then tap on storage and cache. Then tap on clear cache. So if this feature is not for you, go ahead and open your phone settings. You have to scroll down, then tap on Apps, then select All Apps. Tap on the search icon and search for Capital One. Then again force stop it. Head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. Once this is done, bug issue will be solved. To check for an update, open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Capital One bank application. And make sure that you have installed the bank application of your region. And if there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it once again. Final step is to check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is super slow, switch it to your mobile data or turn on your airplane mode for about 3 seconds and turn it back off. Those were some of the solutions to fix your application not working. We hope you found this video informative and thank you so much for tuning in.